over here at BOE, and there's new flexible display, and when it's open it's like this. So this is the smartphone of the future. 7.56 inch QXGA flexible display. Oh, so it's you.
Hi, my name is Li Gu. Hi, welcome to BOE.
So this is plastic?
Yes.
Plastic display,
yes.
Flexible right here, and this is OLED.
Yes.
And you can bend it like this, you can bend it like that. What is your job? Are you working in the R&D for this?
Yes, I am the R&D for the flexible display.
So how soon in the future is it possible to buy a phone like this?
Maybe half a year to 1 year.
Maybe as soon already, maybe.
Maybe.
So, and then it will be possible to buy something like this. The phone of the future is just thin like that. And
actually, it's hard to say because we have some problem
to fix, right?
Yes.
You fix automatically when you do mass production. Will be automatically fixed. All the problem will be fixed as soon as you make a big order. Like Xiaomi or Huawei, they say I want 1 million pieces, then there will be no problem, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Let's try over here. You have Edge display. This is full screen. There's no bezel. This is possible to have a phone like this?
That is a narrow bezel.
What?
Narrow bezel.
Zero bezel.
No. Narrow.
But no bezel in the bottom, in the sides, no bezel.
Actually, it has. The bezel is 0.85.
Yeah, that's too much. No, I'm joking. It's very, very small. So you have very, very small bezel, and maybe in the future it will be a phone like this.
Yes.
Just only display. And the battery. You need the battery. You need the battery on the side, and then you can do this shape also, like this. All right.
And I will show you.
So it's working? So in flexible OLED technology, your company is in Beijing, right?
Yeah, yes.
And are you the best in the world to do this? Better than LG and Samsung? Cannot say. Okay, sorry.
Cannot say.
Okay, and here is a very small bezel. Also, what does it mean? C-Probe free?
It means that without circle. No. Without circle polarization.
All right. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's walk around. So you have some special display for. This is all Retina VR. Can I film it there? This is a secret. No secret. Okay. So this is 4320 by 4800. How big is the screen? Very small, like this.
Yes.
3.5 inch.
3.5 inch.
Yeah.
So this is the highest resolution VR display?
Yeah.
Highest?
No, not the highest. This one is the highest LCD display. And it has 2300 ppi.
Oh.
The brightness of this panel is lower. This one. And this is our OLED sensor glass substrate. And it has 1000 ppi.
1000 ppi?
Yeah.
Very bright.
Yeah.
Oh, no, very, very high pixel density.
Yeah.
All right.
And then you can try it.
It looks cool. All right. Cool. Thanks a lot.
And this is micro OLED, and it is also used virtual reality glasses.
What is micro OLED?
It is
Micro display with OLED.
OLED
Micro display.
Based on silicon base. Silicon. Yeah. Silicon base. And this is glass base.
All right. Cool. All right. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cool. Okay, let's walk around. Hey, thanks. You want to talk about this? How about here's some 8K display. Do you know if anybody know about this?
This is our 27-inch 8K LCD, and it has 8K resolution. The PPI of it is 325, and the color gamut you can see the color is very bright, and the color gamut of it is about 100% Adobe.
100%?
Yeah.
So right here, this is perfect for art.
This is our normal product.
Normal product.
Yeah.
So this one is 8K.
Yeah, this one is 8K. Only this one is 8K.
This is BOE Eye Gallery. You sell many like this or not so many?
A lot of.
Many people buy gallery
in China.
display in China.
Yeah.
Because they want to have Mona Lisa at home, right? Cool. But it's not reflective, right? It's a backlight. Normal display.
Yeah.
LCD.
We do some special design on our LCD panel, such as the surface treatment and the backlight unit design. It's
Nice.
different from the normal LCD product.
Let's check over here. Let's check this display over there. You know this? So here is something about the active stylus. So here's stylus stuff.
This is we adapt the M-Lock and the Minimesh technology for notebook active
metal
stylus.
mesh.
Yeah. Active
M-Lock
stylus.
metal mesh active pen.
Yeah. For notebook product.
Is this shipping?
Yeah.
Shipping already. And here's another one, M-Lock Force Touch.
Yeah.
Has
This is
pressure.
Yeah, has pressure. This is for tablet pressure. For
Right.
pressure. Yeah.
And here you have
10.1 Y UFJ TDDI twin cell.
in-cell.
Yeah, twin cell product in tablet.
All right. What are we looking at here? What is this? Is that a flexible display?
This is multi-point for touch. Here, one touch, multi-touch.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. What is this display here?
Our OLED twin cell product.
So
Yeah, you can see.
this for touching?
Yeah. Twin cell touch.
Full
That's the
twin cell.
OLED. Yeah.
All right. Cool. So you have very good touch technology
Yeah.
at BOE.
Yeah, from the twin cell and the M-Lock and the plug.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Here. Yeah.
There it is. There is all the technology at touch with BOE. Cool. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm gonna go right down here. I'm gonna check their
From this glass, you start this
smart view,
This is bright.
eye care. Can you talk about this? Okay, so what are you showing here? What is this eye care? What does it mean?
Eye care, I mean, because blue, blue will damage our eyes. So we load the blue ray energy to protect our eye.
So less blue.
Yeah.
This is
See, you can't see from without glass. This is glass. You can see. You can compare the brightness.
okay.
Yeah. One strong,
What is
one
this?
weak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Filtering, only showing blue or something.
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah. This filter just.
And what is this? Smart view? It means no bezel. Not working.
Now
Need
it's
to
not
connect.
working.
No connect. And does this mean bezel-less, no bezel? What does it mean?
This one?
What is this? The smart view? It means no
Smart
bezel.
wheel? No. Smart wheel means
Function for low power.
low
Low
power.
power.
Low power. Yeah.
Low power consumption, 4K, 5.7 inch. Low power.
Yeah. Low power.
Wow. How
Maybe
you will connect it?
Maybe a smart view mode if half of the 4K mode power consumption.
Half of 4K.
Yeah.
Okay.
the power consumption.
Because power is the most in the phone. The #1 power use is the display, right?
Yeah.
So you try to reduce that.
Yes.
Yeah. Because high resolution, high PPI
Yeah.
will cost
More power.
Yeah, more power.
Less power. You have a trick. You do a trick. Some system. Save power. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm asking too much. No problem. No problem. So how long it will take for you to power on again?
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, we come back. And then over here you're showing 3D with eye tracking. So actually it can follow the eyes.
The distance is 35 centimeter.
Yeah. So then if I go,
Yes, the battery wheel.
nice.
Yeah. Then you can choose. You can move your
free.
head in this distance.
Nice.
Then the eye tracking.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And here's another privacy display. So from the side, you cannot see anything. But then from here, you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's private.
You cannot see anything on the side.
Now
Here we have Adobe 110%.
Let me show you
Yeah.
how does it works.
Yeah.
This one is our private display.
Yeah.
So it has two modes. One mode is sharing mode, and then the other mode is private mode. In private mode, you can see in the large view angle, such as here.
Yeah. You cannot see anything.
Cannot see nothing.
Yeah. Just black.
When I turn on the sharing mode, you can see.
Ah. So there's two modes.
Yeah.
It's a switch.
Yeah.
All right. And does it lose visibility? Is a layer in front of the screen? Will
No.
hide something? What is it? Transparency,
in the
let's
private
call
mode, the brightness in large angle will be decreased.
All right. Cool. And here, what does this mean? The high
Our
HDR?
no, not the HDR. And this is wide color gamut. We call it high color gamut. So you can see this panel. This panel is bright, and this panel looks dim. The color gamut of this one is about 110% Dolby. In BT 2020 standard, it will be 85%. So it is higher than most of LCD product, and it contrasted to OLED. The color gamut is
Like OLED.
yeah.
But this is LCD.
Yeah, this is LCD.
Quantum dot?
No, not quantum dot.
It's BOE dot? What is it?
We optimize the panel design in the color filter and backlight unit. We use the new LED and new color filter to increase the color gamut of our product.
Nice. What are we looking at here is a dual display. So from here I can see navigation.
Yeah.
From here I can see the cartoon movie.
In the left view, you can see it is the
Navigation.
navigation. Yeah.
And over here is entertainment.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's amazing. How does it work?
Entertainment.
How does this work?
We use function.
Is it over here?
Active. No.
No?
We use
Barrier.
Yeah.
Parallax barrier. Or something.
active barrier.
Active barrier.
Not active barrier.
That's really amazing. Okay.
My English
Cool,
is
no problem. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah.
express.
No problem. It's much,
Right.
much better than my English. And here we have 15.6 inch,
Yeah.
full HD.
Yeah.
Can you interact with it? You can touch? This is
No
no touch.
no touch.
But is this plastic? No?
This is plastic.
Plastic display.
那你们说一下，这只是外壳吗？我们只是展示这个 panel。
The panel.
No, we just want to show the panel, not the.
All right, let's check over there. There's more stuff going on here. What is QLED? That's
This one use quantum dot material.
quantum dot.
Yeah. 工作原理怎么说呢？工作原理怎么说
Here.
？The product, the panel structure is just like OLED, but we use quantum dot material.
In the LCD.
And the process will be different from OLED.
So there, this is quantum dot.
Yeah. 电致发光怎么说？
This electro luminescence. Okay. And is this why is this low resolution like this? 320 by 240 is the first demo.
Yeah, it's first time. We just test the method.
Testing.
Yeah, we just test the technique.
QLED is a new display technology. Yeah.
Next generation.
Yes.
How soon you can make big one like this?
Because it's the extra luminosity. Yeah.
Okay.
And compared with OLED, it's inorganic.
It's not organic.
Not organic. Yeah. So inorganic means long lifetime.
Long lifetime.
Yes.
How is it going to be compared to OLED? This is quality?
Yeah, it's inorganic.
Inorganic.
Yeah.
What are we using here?
Yeah, it's LCD.
LCD. Very flat. This is 4K. Super flat display. So, all right, cool. And here I'm looking at the 27-inch 8K LCD. It just keeps on coming with all kinds of cool displays here. The BOE. Cool. And here's another display. No, I know that's not a display. All right. Okay, so here it is at the BOE tour of the